Value chain versus supply chain. What are the differences? The terms value chain and supply chain are often used interchangeably, but they refer to different concepts. The value chain is a series of activities a business undertakes to create value for its customers. This includes everything from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product or service. On the other hand, the supply chain is a network of organizations, people, activities, information, and resources involved in moving a product or service from its initial creation to its final destination. This can include suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and logistics companies. While the value chain focuses on creating value for customers, the supply chain is concerned with efficiently moving goods and services. Both are essential to ensuring a business's success but have different goals and strategies. If you're hungry for more insights into the fascinating world of supply chains, don't miss the chance to dive deeper with our previous video.